See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Oh, hey, how you doing? It's Henry, Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's around 10 this morning, and I got up extra early today because my dog was licking my face because he has gone to get groomed for the first time since coronavirus started. Of course, I did trim him with, those clippers and stuff like that, but I didn't really do a good job, okay, but he's got so many tangles and knots and stuff that he needs a proper grooming, So I couldn't go back to sleep, so I figured I'd wake up, you know what I mean? I woke up and decided to come over here and find the two engine covers to my two Kohler Courage engines, right, that are incomplete, and I want to try to rebuild them. But I wanted to make sure I bought the right parts. So I went over to look at these engine shrouds, which has the label on it that tells you exactly what kind of engine it is, right? So one of them is a SV540S, and the other one is an SV590. The 590 is a 19 horsepower. The 540S is an 18 horsepower. Essentially, if it's 1 horsepower difference, there's not really much difference to it at all, I also checked on eBay, and these push rods are actually very cheap. Can you guys see that? Push rods, $10 on eBay, and it says it's for the SV 470, 480, 530, 540, and 590, and 600, 610, blah, blah, blah. So it's the same push rods for all those models, and since 540 and 590 are included in this listing, I would just need this press, I would just need to buy these, and I would have 2 push rods instead of just 1, I have seen listings for just 1, it's only like $5, So it's pretty cheap. I'm just gonna press it. I'm gonna buy it.
Hey, Henry. Hey, Henry.
Hank! What are you doing, cuz? How you doing?
I'm bored from all this coronavirus nonsense.
Like I said, man, you gotta find yourself a hobby or something. Why don't you go drive around, man? Go find some old equipment that people throw out on the curb. Just pick it up and fix it, That'll give you something to do.
No, I never find anything on my streets. You and your friends always pick them up before I get to it. What you doing?
I wanted to get some parts for these 2 engines I want to put together, these Kohler Courages. I know it's they're Courages and all, but beggars can't be choosers, I need engines, you know what I mean? And it doesn't look like it's going to take too many parts to get this going, so it's just about to order a couple of push rods,
Why don't you go ask some of your friends, see if they have some push rods for your Kohler Courage. Aren't those bad engines?
That's not a bad idea. If you want something to do, you remember where Larry lives? Why don't you drive over there and see if he's home, right? See if he's got a couple of push rods, and parts for Kohler Courage.
Yeah, he lives in, Smithtown, right? Or Hauppauge? Okay, I'll go drive over there, see if he has any Kohler Courage parts. I'll come back later. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Should I order him, or do you think he'll come up with some parts?
Oh, hey, can I take your van? I don't think nothing's gonna fit in my hatchback. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I need some tools. I think this is Larry's van. it is. Well, I don't see any Kohler courage parts. Oh. Ah, there's a tractor in here. And I think it has a Kohler courage in there. I'm just gonna take that one. I wonder how I'm gonna get in here. Maybe I can break the window to get the door open.
Hey, wait a minute, Hank. What are you doing?
Oh, Mr. Robert. Hi, Mr. Robert.
How you doing today?
I thought I would get some parts out of there. I was just gonna open the door with this broom.
No, let me do it for you.
Thanks, Mr. Robert. Boy, that's all messed up.
I could understand how bolts can be jammed into an engine sometimes.
You know, I think I might try to take that whole engine off. What do you think?
It's up to you. I think it might be easier.
You think so?
I think so. Only 4 bolts, right?
I guess so. Maybe I should just take the head. Isn't that easier?
Whatever you like. The rod's right here, but you can't get it out without taking it apart.
Do you think Larry will mind?
Not at all. Not at all.
Okay, Mr. Robert. Remove that engine in like 30 seconds. I think that would be much faster than Henry doing it. Anyway, Lawrence and Mr. Robert gave me this engine block. They said just take it. So I'm gonna go bring this back to Henry's house. That was fun. But it's hot today.
Hey guys, Boba and I want to thank you for all the support of Mowers and Blowers. If you'd like, make a short video clip like these, and I'll put it as an outro in my future videos.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.